Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN unboxing and a try on of a few items that I got this week. So let's get right into it. I ordered these and they came within about 2 weeks, so not a bad turnaround. I think I know what this first item is. A phone case that I ordered. So this is the case. It looked more like real. Like remember those phones in the 90s where you could see the cords, like the clear see-through cords? I thought that's what this was, but this is just a printed thing, but it was only a couple bucks, so yeah. But yeah, it's a new phone case that I got. A couple bucks. I'll leave the link in the description. But I really thought it was going to be able to be like, the way they portrayed it on the picture, I thought you would be able to see the cords inside of it. But it's cool. I'm a gamer girl. I still have all my games from the 90s and everything. So I like this. It's very nostalgic. And it's time for me to get a new phone case. So this was the first item I got. Let's see. Second item. Oh, I ordered a new shower curtain. I got a rug from SHEIN like 2-3 weeks ago, and now I'm just now ordering the curtain. I try to, switch these out every couple of months because they're plastic and they hold a lot of germs and stuff, but it's just a regular, oh, okay, it does open. I was gonna say this is small, but it's just a regular shower curtain. And it's unisex. I do live with my boyfriend, so I don't want anything too girly or anything. I feel like this is like a modern chic vibe. So I'm excited to put this up in our bathroom. Super cool. I think this was only like 11 bucks. So yeah, I'm excited to put this one up and freshen up and spruce up our bathroom. And it came with just regular white hooks. I actually have black hooks in my bathroom, so maybe I'll spruce it up and do one white, one black, one white, one black. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it did come with the hooks. Okay, so for the next bulk items, funny story, I ordered this before I was going on a trip, and I thought I'd get it in time for my trip, and it ended up getting delivered during my trip, so I was kind of ticked about that. Okay, the first item, I ordered my boyfriend a linen blend. This is not pure linen, but it was a linen blend shirt, and I think it should fit him. What size is this? It's a 4X. He never worn a 4X, but because they're Asian size and made in China, the reviews were saying to size up. One thing about SHEIN, you have to read the reviews. I know the pictures look nice, the stock pictures, but read the reviews, see what real people are saying. Yeah, so the people were saying that the 4X really fits like a 2X. So yeah, nice linen blend shirt. Doesn't have a smell or anything. I think he's gonna like this. I'm gonna lay this out on the bed for him when he gets home, but nice men's shirt for sure. We were supposed to wear this on vacation, but it didn't come in time. Okay, next item. I got something else for my boyfriend, so I'm always thinking about other people. I got him a toiletry bag, because he's been using one of my spare toiletry bags. I got him, it's supposed to be leather. Toiletry bag for men. Okay, well, there's a hook. It's got some nice compartments in it, like a zip right here to put some stuff in, maybe like a toothbrush, the main pouch at the bottom, and then there's a pouch in the front. Off the top of my head, I don't remember how much it costs, but we were supposed to travel with this and it didn't come on time, so my fault. I like it though. It's really nice, and I this was like $11 or $12 too. So nice little travel toiletry bag for men. Let's see what else we got. Okay, I treated myself to a white dress. Let's see. Oh nah. Why does this look like a little girl's dress? Maybe I'm overreacting. This is a 1X. Let's see. It's a 1X. I guess it'll fit. Like I said, I'm gonna try it on. I'll come back. If it look crazy, then I'm not coming back to show y'all. But I'll try it on. If it look good, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, this was a 1X, little $12 dress. Perfect for the summertime. So I'm gonna try this on in a bit. And what else did I get? I think I ordered like the same kind of cut dress in black, or maybe a different one. Yeah. Okay, this is like a baby doll dress. Cute. Let's see. So like same cut, has like the elastic right here. I think this one should be okay as well. What size did I get in that? I got a 1X in this as well. I'm normally not a 1X. Like this dress I'm wearing is INC. I got it at Macy's. It's a large, but since these are Asian made items, you want to size up because they're going based off of Asian heights and measurements in their country. So I will try this on, but I feel like it should fit perfect. And let's see. I guess I got something else. Oh, I got a bra. I got a bra. Let's see. I try to switch out my bras every couple of months. Nothing fancy, nothing too sexy, just a regular bra. I wish it had more padding. It's definitely one of those that you'll be able to see through. So like I'll probably wear it with like this black dress, so the black on black, and you won't be able to see through it as much, but I think this was $6, so it's not bad. I'm probably gonna keep that. And let's see, last, I got these jean earrings. They're made out of like denim, or at least that's what the stock image looked like. Let's see. Or they denim printed like how that phone case was. Okay, so yeah, these are made out of actual denim. Super cute, super cute. These was like $1 and change. I never seen anything like it. So I definitely was like, ooh, I'm gonna rock this with either an all white dress, all black dress, and super cute. So that's my SHEIN haul. I'm gonna go and try these dresses on, and I'll be right back. So this is how the black dress looks. I love it, honestly. I have the black bra on as well. Like I said, I don't wear it on black because my nipples won't like poke out, but I love the length of this. Me personally, I'll definitely wear like some biker shorts, black biker shorts. And yeah, this is paired with the earrings. If I was going out, I'd probably wear my Farm Rio. I got these from Nordstrom's. Farm Rio denim sandals, because they go with like the denim earrings. Or I have some neon green sandals from Loft I'd probably wear. And I'd probably wear them with my neon green Versace biggie shades. So like styling this, I would want like to focus on the shoe piece and the earring. So a popping shoe, popping color, popping lip, and popping ear with the black. So love this dress. I might even get it in another color for sure. So this is 10 out of 10 like this. And so this is the white dress. It's definitely giving me like tennis, a golf dress skirt vibes. I'm not too sure about it. It's kind of short to me. It's kind of short. I can't bend over with this. So I like it. Realistically, I'll just have to wear biking shorts under it. I really like this dress. It's comfortable. Because I feel like if I would have got a 2X, I don't feel like it would have been longer in length. It would have been just bigger, and I don't want like slouchy stuff. So definitely gonna wear white biking shorts under this. I'd probably wear this with a popping color as well. I'm not gonna wear white on white on white. Probably wear either the same denim sandals that I showed you guys or any other color, even a black, but I wouldn't wear white. And you know, same thing, a popping purse color. White and black combo is not bad. I'd probably wear like a black purse with it. Something small, nothing too big. But yes, it's growing on me, this dress. It's growing on me. But like it was $10, $11, $12. So what are you gonna do? Overall, my SHEIN haul, I'm pleased with the stuff that I got. My black dress, I really like this. I wish I could have worn it on vacation, but just as well. The tote bag, the toiletry bag for my boyfriend. I love these earrings, super cool. And the shower curtain that I got, and the shirt for my boyfriend. This all in all was like $45 or maybe a $50 SHEIN order. And then the phone case that I got, so not too bad. Took about 3 weeks to get here, which for me that's a long time for SHEIN. I remember like at one point I used to order from SHEIN and I get it like the next week. So this was a long turnaround period, but overall 10 out of 10. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Hope you like the SHEIN unboxing and trying on session with me. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.